So I have to admit here, I'm not the most excited for the Xbox One S All Digital Edition, but I did grab it because I have another Xbox video that I'm sort of going to be doing, and I kind of need this one here to be able to kind of complete the video. But you see, we have here is a disc-less Xbox One X that recently came out. We'll see what we get inside the box here. It's definitely different packaging than you see with most Xboxes. Let's go ahead and slide the tape here. This even it says it right here. I wanted to show this disc-free gameplay, so it's really advertising that as a positive thing, or at least trying to spin a positive on it, I suppose. I'm not quite sure because the price on this just kind of bothers me quite a bit. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Let's see what we get inside here. And in the frame, Xbox One S All Digital. Directions, guides, whatever. All right. Pop this out here. So we have, all right, looks like you have your power. And on this side, probably your controller. Controller right here on the side. And looks like we have our HDMI cable as well too. All right, put that on the side. Pick up the controller. Pretty much your standard controller should be in white with batteries, yep. All right, there you go, matches the console. Has a texture feel, just like any other Xbox One controller. Put that over here. All right, we got the batteries inside there. You know how those look. Slide this up. Looks like we got all right, Forza 3 code. That's pretty cool. So you get Forza 3 with this to come included. Maybe a couple other games. You have Forza 3, Sea of Thieves, Minecraft, I guess so. Let's slide out the console here itself. Let's see here. That to the side. This out. This out. All right. Peel this off there, and here we are. That is the Xbox One S All Digital. Missing that Blu-ray disc that we're so used to having. We know Microsoft's doing this obviously because they're going towards the Xbox Gamer Pass. They're going towards sort of their Stadia competitor where it's going to be streaming. So I think this is why they sort of released now. But at a $250 price point, it's kind of ridiculous considering on their own site, they have deals for an Xbox One S that comes with the Blu-ray that's better, and it comes with a couple of games for like the same price. So not quite sure, but here you go. You have a USB port. So we have your connection button, RF right there, Xbox button here, power it up. You have your grill here. Here in the back, looks like we have power, HDMI out, HDMI out to TV, HDMI in, because you can obviously use this as sort of a set-top box. You have your two super speed USBs. You have your headphone jack and IR port. You have your SPIF port, optical audio port, and you have your NIC right there. So that's pretty much it. Not much going on in terms of this new Xbox here. Kind of what you see is what you kind of get here. Some of the basic stuff. You just get a few games to come along with it. That's nice. I wish I had more positive things to say about it. Gamer Pass kind of included there. We're getting your HDMI, power, and batteries. You know the batteries go there with it. But that's pretty much it. That's what you get in an Xbox One S All Digital. I don't even think the name is all that great, but we'll get into this more, break it down a little bit, let you know my thoughts about that and a few other things coming up real soon. Thank you for watching. You know where to connect with us, subscribe, and everywhere else. Thanks for watching, and always remember to live your tech world in high definition.